Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the restore. First, make sure your old iPhone completed an iCloud backup. Check date and time in settings, that matters. Once done, charge both devices and join a stable Wi-Fi network using the same Apple ID and passcode. On the new iPhone, start setup and choose Restore from iCloud Backup. You're starting the process now to move apps, settings, and data. Follow on-screen prompts and stay connected until the restore begins. Once the restore starts, you monitor progress and manage details. You'll see a progress bar and an estimated time. Larger backups with photos and app data take noticeably longer. Make sure the new phone stays on Wi-Fi and plugged in so the screen stays awake. Apps and media download after the core restore completes. If the backup was encrypted, enter the device passcode or Apple ID password when prompted, because that unlocks health, passwords, and saved credentials for a full, secure restore. You finish by completing setup and verifying everything moved over. Sign back into your Apple ID, enable Face ID or Touch ID, and check that messages, mail, contacts, and photos are syncing. If some apps or media are missing, open the App Store to re-download purchased apps and confirm iCloud toggles in settings. If something goes wrong, try restarting the phone, reconnecting to Wi-Fi, and attempting the restore again. If errors persist, you can delete the setup and restore from the same iCloud backup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.